DriveSure absolutely gives us a competitive edge over any of competitors, Jiffy Lube, Quick Car, any of those competitors, because they don't offer those benefits. So there's a reason for them to come see us. So they have those benefits, and we see multiple customers every month using those benefits. The DriveSure benefits have helped us increase tire sales. As an example, a customer comes in with a tire that's been damaged. They have to get that tire replaced because it's not repairable. At the same time they're here, we can look at their other tires, and based on the wear and how those tires look, we can make recommendations. They trust us because of those benefits, and so it does definitely help drive our tire sales. It's a huge benefit for the customers. It helps with customer retention. It drives sales. You're not just going to be replacing a tire. You're not just going to be towing a vehicle in. If a vehicle's towed in because it's broken down, you're going to make money. Don't hesitate for a minute. Put it in place, use it. It's a great tool to get customers through your door.